Hi guys! Today, I will show you how to change Facebook video thumbnail and title using your laptop or your PC. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So go to facebook.com, then log in your account, then go to profile. So right here, on more, click videos. So this is my videos. I will edit this one. Click this pen icon. Then click edit this video. So right here, this is the thumbnail. So I have here 5 thumbnails. So to choose on the thumbnail, just click the arrows here. So this is the thumbnail that I want. Then just click save. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!